Go again. One more time. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what I did to fix this stall out or dying problem. I used this Willer Racing map sensor connector replacement. And here's all the tools that it took me to get the job done. Give yourself a little bit of extra length there when you cut it, just in case, since you're going to be stripping some wires down. If you don't have a good pair of wire strippers, you can pick up a pair at Harbor Freight. Those are the ones I was using. They're not bad. They are not very good at crimping down the butt connectors, however. I ended up using a pair of lineman pliers because all those Harbor Freight ones suck for crimping down butt connectors, and I lost my other pair. These come with heat shrinkable butt connectors, so make sure you melt those down at the ends. Keep a good watertight seal. I went ahead and just electrical taped it afterwards since they were all the connections were heat shrinked. I got some replacement clip-in zip ties that I've had sitting around in my box for a while. Make sure that when you're going back together, you get a good solid click on all your connectors. Make sure they're all done up completely. You don't want them falling apart while you're out there riding somewhere. Don't forget about this guy back here. Make sure you clip off all the extra zip tie when you're done. Give the wires a good wiggle during your test start. Just make sure that it's not going to randomly die or stall on you. Also, sometimes you can have problems with the fuel injector connectors, so check those as well while you're there, just to make sure it's not causing you any more problems.
Hey guys, if that video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know. If you guys want to see more stuff like that, I'll do some more. I'll see you next time.